Tom Cruise is 62 years old. But he doesn't look it. He doesn't act like it. And his energy, charisma, and physique haven't aged in decades. He's not defying time with luck or surgery. He's doing it with strategy. And today, I'll share exactly how avoiding just 3 specific foods helped me stop aging, and how it can do the same for you. While most people surrender to aging, Tom Cruise seems to have found a way to slow it down. But this isn't about genetics or Hollywood magic, it's about the choices you make every single day. The truth is, aging isn't a mystery. It's a process. One that you either accelerate or decelerate with every bite you take. I'm here to show you the 3 foods that I eliminated from my diet completely. Foods that silently damage your brain, joints, metabolism, and skin. Once I cut them, everything changed: my sleep, my energy, my clarity, my strength. And I'm not the only one. Aging isn't just wrinkles or gray hair. It's what's happening inside your cells. Your mitochondria, the power plants of your body, begin to falter. Inflammation creeps in. Your hormones get out of balance. Collagen breaks down. And most of this isn't caused by time. It's caused by diet. The wrong foods trigger glycation, oxidative stress, hormonal imbalances, and chronic inflammation. These are the true enemies of youth. And they're hiding in your everyday meals. But once you remove the culprits, your body starts to repair itself. Your cells begin to regenerate. Your metabolism reawakens. Your skin tightens. Your energy returns. You begin to sleep deeper, move easier, and think faster. The secret isn't a miracle. It's subtraction. Remove what hurts you, and your body will do what it was designed to: stay strong, sharp, and resilient. According to the World Health Organization, over 71% of deaths globally are due to chronic diseases, many of which are linked to poor dietary choices. Inflammation, the root of most aging processes, can be drastically reduced by eliminating inflammatory foods. A study published in Aging Cell demonstrated that dietary restriction of pro-aging foods directly impacted longevity by slowing down cellular senescence and increasing autophagy, the body's way of recycling damaged cells. Food 1, refined sugar. Sugar is aging in disguise. It tastes sweet, but its impact is bitter. When you consume refined sugar, it floods your bloodstream and bonds with proteins, creating advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These AGEs damage collagen and elastin, the very proteins that keep your skin firm and youthful. But it doesn't stop there. Sugar feeds inflammation, clouds your brain, and spikes your insulin. Over time, it contributes to type 2 diabetes, brain fog, anxiety, and visceral fat, all markers of accelerated aging. Multiple studies, including one from the British Journal of Dermatology, show that high sugar intake is directly linked to deeper wrinkles and skin sagging. But sugar doesn't just age your appearance. It weakens your immune system, disrupts gut health, and affects hormone production. It shortens telomeres, the protective caps at the end of your DNA strands, essentially accelerating your cellular clock. I eliminated refined sugar, including soft drinks, pastries, and even so-called healthy bars. In just 30 days, I looked and felt dramatically younger. Clearer mind. Better skin. Stable mood. Sustained energy. Sugar is not harmless. It's a silent accelerator of decay. Food 2, industrial seed oils. The second enemy is hiding in plain sight: vegetable oils. Canola, soybean, corn, and sunflower oil are marketed as healthy, but they're not. These oils are highly processed, unstable under heat, and rich in omega-6 fatty acids. When consumed in excess, omega-6s promote chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and cellular aging. These oils damage your arteries, disrupt hormonal balance, and are linked to obesity and heart disease. According to a study published in Circulation, high intake of omega-6 seed oils correlates with elevated inflammatory markers and reduced cardiovascular health. The oxidation of these oils when heated produces aldehydes, compounds that are toxic to DNA and proteins. Excess omega-6 disturbs the omega-3 to omega-6 ratio, which should ideally be 1:1 but in modern diets often reaches 20:1, fueling disease and premature aging. I removed them completely. No more deep-fried foods. No more processed snacks. I cook only with extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, or grass-fed butter. Within weeks, my joint pain vanished. My digestion improved. My face lost that puffy, tired look. These oils are everywhere, but they're aging you from the inside out. Food 3, ultra-processed carbs, third on the list, refined, processed carbohydrates. White bread, crackers, muffins, cereals, these aren't foods. They're edible products engineered to hijack your hunger and destroy your health. These carbs spike your blood sugar rapidly, causing insulin resistance, energy crashes, and fat storage, especially around the belly. They also accelerate the aging of your brain and skin. A study from the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found a strong link between high glycemic foods and premature skin aging. Another analysis in Nutrients found that high intake of refined carbs impairs brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a molecule crucial for learning, memory, and neuroplasticity. These foods lead to mitochondrial dysfunction, increased cortisol, and accumulation of visceral fat. When I stopped eating processed carbs and replaced them with whole vegetables, legumes, and roots, everything changed. My waist shrunk. My brain became sharper. My cravings disappeared. My energy became clean and consistent. Processed carbs are cheap, addictive, and aging you faster than you think. Dr. David Perlmutter, neurologist and author, warns that sugar and refined carbs are the root of neurodegeneration. Dr. Mark Hyman calls seed oils the biggest hidden threat in the modern diet. And Harvard's Dr. Walter Willett confirms that glycation and inflammation are the two primary nutritional drivers of aging. Dr. Rhonda Patrick highlights how inflammatory foods accelerate telomere shortening and DNA damage. These aren't fringe theories. These are world-leading experts pointing to the same culprits. The data is clear. The results are visible. And people like Tom Cruise live proof that the right choices can change the way you age. If your nutrition is hurting you, your habits are aging you. But change what you eat, and your cells will respond immediately. What if the wrinkles on your skin and the fatigue in your body aren't due to aging, but diet? What if your cells are starving for real food, and suffocating in processed junk? What if the clock could slow down, or even reverse, by simply removing 3 enemies from your plate? You don't need to age like everyone else. You just need to stop eating like them. One decision. One grocery trip. 1 week of change, and you'll feel it in your skin, your sleep, and your soul. Since cutting these foods, my confidence returned. I walk taller. I think clearer. I feel present again. My sleep is deeper. My skin glows. And my mindset is powerful. There's no brain fog. No afternoon crash. Just a calm, steady sense of control. Food doesn't just change your body. It rewires your brain. It restores your motivation. It resets your confidence. And suddenly, you're not chasing youth, you're living it. You see results in the mirror, but also in how you speak, how you think, and how you show up in the world. You become the version of yourself you were always meant to be, bold, grounded, and fully alive. Bnuz, the 4th food to watch out for. There's one more food that's often overlooked but equally damaging: alcohol. Even in moderate amounts, alcohol accelerates cellular aging, dehydrates your skin, disrupts deep sleep, and inflames your gut lining. Alcohol weakens liver function, increases cortisol, and robs your body of essential vitamins like B1, B6, and magnesium. According to a study in The Lancet, there is no safe level of alcohol. Its impact on long-term cellular health is negative even at low doses. And what's worse, it interferes with your ability to recover, repair, and regenerate. If you want to truly slow down aging, minimize or eliminate alcohol. Hydrate with water, herbal teas, or electrolyte-infused drinks that support mitochondrial function instead. This change alone can rejuvenate your skin, boost clarity, and transform your sleep. You don't need injections, pills, or filters. You need subtraction. Remove the foods that destroy your vitality, and your body will respond fast. You were made to be strong, focused, and energetic, at any age. Tom Cruise isn't an exception. He's an example. If you want to reclaim your energy, your skin, your mind, start today. These 3 foods are robbing you of youth. Drop them. Replace them. Watch your body thank you. You have a choice today: keep eating the way that ages you, or reclaim the body and energy you thought were gone. Hit the like button if this message spoke to you. Subscribe now for weekly strategies that help you look younger, feel sharper, and live better. And share this video with someone you care about, someone who deserves to feel 35 again, no matter what their birth certificate says.